Mr. President, women's enjoyment of their human rights, including the right to education, is denied in much of the developing world. Nowhere is this more apparent than in societies where women are obliged to cover themselves from head to foot when they venture outside the home. Women are trained to believe that this type of dress code is necessary for modesty. Apparently, the sight of any part of a woman's body, including her face or hair, is considered sexually provocative in some cultures and likely to inflame men's lust. But would a more appropriate solution to this problem not be to educate men to stay indoors until they learn some self-control? The holy books teach both men and women to dress modestly. So why do we not see men covered from head to foot? The answer, of course, is that this is not about modesty. It is about men controlling women. Denying their right to education is part of this. We hear much talk of the dignity of women, yet very little of women's right to autonomy. But, Mr. President, women can have no dignity without autonomy. Men do not own women. We have heard much talk in its council of Islamophobia, Judeophobia, Christianophobia, or homophobia. But what of gynophobia, which is enslaving women in much of the developing world and sees women merely as a source of temptation and evil? We urge the international community to recognize its responsibility to women as autonomous members of the human race and to win the most patriarchal and authoritarian societies away from their deeply rooted misogyny. Until this happens,